Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are in vlogging mode today. I have to put some laundry away, clean a little bit, and honestly I really didn't even want to set up to do a makeup video because I didn't want to put that effort in today. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stay like this, I'm gonna be a bum, and you guys can clean and hang out with me. So I've got a bunch of clothes over here that I have to put away. I have to put another load of laundry in. I forgot that I put one in last night, so I need to rewash that one. I have to hang some stuff up, and I cleaned the floors yesterday, but I still have to dust some things because I found Bear's hair and stuffing everywhere. So yeah, if you want to hang out and clean and do whatever else I'm doing around the house, then stick around. What are you doing? That's a stuffless ball now. You gonna hang out with the moms? Okay. First, I'm going to start out by hanging up my clothes. I use these velour hangers on all of my clothes that I have in my closet, so I'm just going to pull those out and start hanging everything up. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to make the bed here, and you will notice Bear will not get off the bed. Every time I try to make the bed, this is what happens. So I am just quickly going to fold this blanket up. I will put it back on the bed, but I'm just moving everything out of the way so I can vacuum and then make the bed. When I make it. Can mommy make the bed? Scooch! Scooch! You're gonna fall. Next, I will be going in with the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. This is a multi-purpose spray in the scent Lilac. It is one of their spring scents. I got this from my Grove order, and I'm going to be cleaning off my dressers and end tables with this. Then I will be taking the Mrs. Meyer's room freshening spray. This is in Peony, and I'm going to spray the bed and everything else around the room. As you can see, I am now in the living room, but it is fairly clean in here. I'm just going to straighten up and move Bear's toys because obviously they are everywhere. I will be taking that same multi-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Lilac, and I'm just going to be quickly dusting the console table, whatever you want to call this little piece over here. I'm just going to dust everything off really quick. Then I will be going in with this, it is a linen spray. I use this on the couch, and I got this from Kohl's, I believe, and I'm just going to quickly spray the furniture. Next, I will be taking the Pledge Dust and Allergen Spray and the Microfiber Rag from Grove, and I am going to be dusting the chairs off. I did notice, we don't sit here often, so I noticed that hair and dust kind of builds up, obviously, because we're not using it, so I'm just quickly dusting the furniture. Quickly, to interrupt the cleaning process, I had to show you guys the new makeup that I got from my BoxyCharm this month. I really hate that they put the sticker on the front this time because now I can't use it to take a really cute flat lay from Instagram. But otherwise, this box is so great this month. I mean, I think I say every box is great, but this month it is so fun. It's like, I think it's based on Coachella, obviously, but it's very springy, very festival-like, very colorful. I really, really like everything that I got. The theme is Peace, Love, and Boxy. I got my last month's box super, super late, so I didn't film a video on that one, but this time I feel like I've got enough time and I could film a video with it this month. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys because I just got super excited about it. First, Luxie brushes. Love Luxie brushes ever since I started getting them in my BoxyCharm. So we got another 3-piece set. We also got a mascara, an eyeliner. I'm not gonna go like in depth, obviously, because if I film a video on it. So mascara, eyeliner. We got Artist Couture, a Diamond Glow Powder. I got mine in the shade Summer Haze, so I'm super excited about that. But I needed to show you guys this eyeshadow palette. Every month they give you basically an eyeshadow palette. I feel like every month we do get an eyeshadow palette. This is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is called Festival. This is their Festival palette, and they are 12 pressed pigments inside this palette. They are beautiful. These glitter shades right here, are you kidding? And it's so fun, it's so springy. The names on it: Wild Child, Epic, Free Spirit, Gypsy, Fireworks, Peace, Good Vibes, Sunset. It's just screaming festival, spring. I just love how all of this looks, and this giant mirror that comes inside it. So I needed to show you guys that really quick. That is my BoxyCharm this month, but I think I might do an in-depth video on it when I finally decide to sit down and film a makeup video. But now, back to cleaning. Lastly, I'm going to restart my laundry from last night that I totally forgot about. I'm just going to add some of this Arm & Hammer laundry soap and some fabric softener, and that is it. I honestly did not do much else after this, a little bit more dusting, and then I switched the laundry out, but yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, me and Bear will see you later.